Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are comparing clip-in extensions versus Velcroed-in extensions. Did you know they had them? Stay tuned. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel! We are going over the clip-in extension. Okay, just to let you know, there's two different types. We have the ventilated ones, and then we have the wefted ones. There's a difference. Okay, and then we are comparing them to the Velcro ones. Ooh. So, what are the differences? So, obviously, Velcro are put in to take out. So it's great for events, it's great for television, just to clip in if you need just some fullness in the front. You just take it and you snap them in. So it's basically a non-abrasive version of clip-in. So clip-ins, they go into the hair, so you have to tease it up a little and you just kind of like hook them in. A lot of people have them. They are now made so flat. So if you get like the ventilated one, it is completely flat on both sides so that you can really get them right to the scalp so you don't see them. Sometimes the wefted ones have a little bump on them. You know, I do like them. They all have their purposes. So yeah, who knows? I love hair. So much hair. There's always hair. But what I want to know is, what do you use in your kit? Do you bring extra hair on photo shoots or any type of events that you do? Who do you get your hair from? I would love to know that question. So in the comments below, let me know if it is tape-ins, if it is clip-ons, if it is Velcro. What type of extensions do you like using for like one and dones, I call them. One day and then we're done. And also subscribe to my channel because I have so many crazy things that we're doing, as always, here. And then you can check out all my Instagrams. So there's so many there. And you can always go on the Twitter.